Hi, it's Chris again. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't had a chance yet, please like and subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Today we're working on a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. It's going to be just a windshield wiper replacement. This will be for 2017 to 2024 Chrysler Pacificas or Chrysler Voyagers from 2020 to 2024. And those measurements for those windshield wipers will be 26 for the driver's side and 20 for the passenger side. So without further ado, we'll get right into this. There will be quite a few videos on these Chrysler vans that I'm going to do. So if you got one, I'll be loading up videos for the different fixes of the different problems that we encounter with them. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a question in the comments. And here we go. So if you happen to be in that spot at town and you're needing a windshield wiper replacement, and you don't by chance, really a screwdriver works great, but if you don't have a screwdriver, you could probably use a key to pop this. And all you do is just pop this locking tab open on these, and there you go. She's popped out, and it just give her a little snug pull down, and then you just rotate it a little bit. Get by that. You just got to kind of rotate it so you're out of the wing of that J there, that J hook. And I'm using these Rain-X wipers. I'm not sponsored by them. I just use them because they're a very good wiper, and I like them very much. Outperform a lot of the other ones. So usually it has the protector on there. I'd already removed the protector for the blade. And as you can see, this locking tab's popped open. And all you do is put it back into the J hook. And this one slides in very easy. And what you can do is put a little back pressure with your finger here, because this won't lock and seat if you don't push up on it like that. And there you go. That one is done. And all we're going to do is do the other one. Get rid of this piece here. We'll go over to the other side. Very simple procedure. Anybody can do it. Same thing on this side. Take your key or your, if you have a screwdriver by chance, feel free to just pop that open. And as she pops open there you go, like that. Pretty simple, eh? And then just got to kind of be a little gentle with these, because these springs in here are very strong, and if you don't want to let go of it and smack the glass with the J hook there. There's that protector that I was talking about. Just give her a slide off like that. And then pop this off. And then you just repeat the process. This is actually oriented like this. Hook her in. Pull her down. Like I said, give her a little bit of up pressure. Pulling this way. Lock that in. And you are all done. Ready to rock. Safe drive home. No more not being able to see. Especially in the winter. Salty, slippery. And safety is paramount, right? So thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe. More videos to come. Have a good day.